This time I will introduce the new features in the MediaPipe4U major version update, finger correction. It took so long to fix it, I have been looking for a solution that can simplify the repair process. Let's first see what we're going to fix. Notice here, Quinn's fingers are not straight when I straighten them. This problem is because when MediaPipe4U calculates the pose, it is calculated based on the initial pose of the model. If your model's initial fingers are straight, there is no such problem. Let's take a look at Quinn's skeleton. Quinn's fingers are bent in a natural posture. At this time, I should miss Unity's T-pose. The T-pose model basically has no such troublesome things. You can of course set an initial pose, straighten the finger, and give your model. But I don't want MediaPipe4U to interfere with your other functions, so I developed a separate fix. This fix is based on pose asset. We first create a pose asset. In the newly created asset, there will be a pose curve by default. My curve name here is pose 11. Now we edit the pose in this pose asset and straighten Quinn's fingers. This process is very boring, but I can't think of other ways to deal with it. I set the finger angle to 0 in the program and it doesn't work. Quinn's pinky needs about -20 degrees to straighten. As a demonstration, I'm just breaking it here. It needs to be explained that you only need to straighten the last joint of the thumb, because the algorithm of the first two joints is more complicated, and this problem will not occur. It is best if the horizontal direction can make the fingers parallel. I don't know if downloading a Miximos T-pose resource can automatically complete this. It's really tiring. When you're done with the fingers, remember to right-click on the curve to update it. After a while, when you slide the pose curve to 1, your posture should be the corrected posture. Save the pose asset. At this time, you can go to the MediaPipe4U animation blueprint to fix the finger problem. Open the animation blueprint, find the pose asset variable on the blueprint, and set it to the pose asset you just made. I think I'd better modify the pose asset name I just made. Now open MediaPipe4U's animation blueprint to set. Set the POSIAsset asset init pose just created on the POSIAsset variable of the blueprint and fill in the curve name. Remember, our pose curve name is pose 11. Just to recap, the pose curve names are here. Fill it in on the init pose variable. Save and compile the animation blueprint, and the finger correction is complete. Comparing the effect of the corrected and uncorrected hands, the corrected fingers are obviously straightened. If you are not satisfied with the correction effect, you can continue to edit pose asset to adjust it. Thanks for watching.